This video will show you how to make video game platforms that move horizontally using horizontal shifts from Algebra 2. So let's start by making a little horizontal platform here. Y is less than or equal to 3. Let's make it go from -10 to -2. So in order to make this platform move back and forth, because it's a constant, we actually don't have to change the equation. All we have to do is affect our domain. So the way we can do that is by adding a parameter to our domain. So I can go ahead and add, I'm going to go to my left side here to my -10. I'm going to add, let's say, h. Okay, I'll go ahead and add this slider. And let's see what happens. So if I just do one side of the domain shift, it's only going to affect that left side. So I'm going to have to add one to this side as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do plus h here. And now the entire platform is moving back and forth, just the way I want it to. Now I don't want it to move this far, so I'm going to go ahead and just change these parameters as well. Now h can only go from -5 to 5, so it should stay on the screen now pretty easily. Okay, so let's try another one. Actually, we'll go make this one to 0. Or 2. So now let's make another platform, this time with a bit of an angle. So let's say y is less than or equal to -x minus 3 plus 1. And let's just let this one go from 1 to 4. So I could try the same trick here. This time I'll use plus h2 as my new variable, and I'll add a slider. Now, if I just hit play like this, you'll notice that it's not going to go horizontally. It's going to go in a diagonal motion, because all I did was tell its domain to change. So it's just highlighting different pieces of the same line going back and forth. So we don't want that. We want it to move horizontally. So to make it move horizontally, I need to add one more parameter. Where I need to add it is the same place I would add it for an Algebra 2 transformation, right inside the x component here. So I'm going to go ahead and, in this case, I have to use minus h2, because everything that happens inside the argument of a function has to work backwards. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit play, and I have it moving back and forth just like I wanted. So in this case, I think it's going way too far still. So I'm going to go ahead and make it go from -1, let's say, to 4. And now we have a really interesting level in our video game where our character has to jump across a moving gap. There you have it.